I'm in Schaumburg at the new Element at Veridian Luxury Apartments. Element has an outstanding suite of amenities, headlined by a 2-story community great room. The great room opens to a rambling resort-style terrace with grilling areas adjacent to an outdoor pool. Element also has a fully equipped fitness studio, a spacious yoga studio with lockers, a business center with conference rooms and private offices, a dog park with separate areas for large and small dogs, a package room with cold storage lockers, and more. Join me for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments. I've just walked into apartment 109, a spacious one-bedroom, and I'm being drawn toward a Sweet Home Chicago goodie bag with drinks and snacks welcoming me home. Off to my right as I enter the unit, coat closet with a vacuum, ironing board, extra light bulbs. Kitchen has both dome and pendant lighting, wide breakfast bar island with white quartz counters, deep, wide stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Terrific cabinet and counter space here. There's a pantry cabinet, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, and they're going to be stocked with all the cookware, utensils, glassware, everything you need to feel right at home and stay a while. We had a full suite of countertop appliances. There's a 5-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, dishwasher in the island, nice sized living dining area, comfortable seating. There's a desk, great placement looking out into the greenery, flat panel TV, French windowed looking door takes you out to a wide patio that looks out on the grilling area and the pool deck. It's easy to feel comfortable in this space. Going back toward the bedroom and bath, stopping for a look at a full-size side-by-side front-loading washer dryer. There's a linen closet, individual hot water heater. Bedroom is carpeted. Same great looking windows. Window sills if you want to adopt a plant for a while. Second flat panel TV. And the closet has a laundry basket and additional bedding and toweling. Heading toward the bath. A wide vanity, double bowl undermount sinks, wide walk-in shower, twin mirrors above the vanity. Element at Veridian has a convenient location, truly outstanding amenities. Sweet Home offers a variety of apartment layouts here. In every case, I think you're going to find it's a sweet deal.